The incredible ways to get SEO traffic without ever ranking. Did you know that there are ways to get to the top of Google without ranking your own site? You can still get lots of good organic traffic using alternative methods, as our expert explained. Let's face it, when it comes to generating traffic online, the quality of SEO traffic is unbeatable when you compare it to other online traffic sources, including PPC, affiliates, emails, and SMS. You typically find that when it comes to average time on site, how low bounce rate and conversion rate, SEO region supreme. Those navigating through SEO organic search are typically taking their time and making informed and more careful decisions. This is what leads to higher converting and more qualified customers. The barrier through with SEO is that it can take several months or even years and incredible expertise to gain position in the top search result on Google. However, just because you do not rank at the top of Google does not mean that you cannot have access to the best quality SEO traffic and even take up multiple positions without even ranking your own websites. In this space, we speak to some industry experts and startups to understand how you can access SEO traffic whether your site rank or not. Check who is on page 1 already. You might think that doing SEO for your company means optimizing your own website and getting it to rank, but why not consider who is already on page 1 and if you can partner with them in some way, from price comparison sites, news sites, and just individual brands. There may be a way to help them monetize their traffic or collaborate in some way. As a broker, we are a lot freer to do SEO than other big brands and institutions, explained Justin Gray, founder of online mortgage broker Daddle. Big companies and banks are very nervous and bound by compliance to throw lots of content on their site and make regular updates. But for a small team like us, this is very easy. In some ways, we have a better shot at getting to page 1 than a big corporate company, and as a result, we get companies of all sizes trying to partner with us. They may find that there are too many internal barriers to do good SEO for themselves, but we are open to collaborations using top 10 list. Top 10 lists have a very powerful ranking edge on Google, explains Rana Singh, co-founders of health insurance site Medicompare. There are certain industries where Google really favors top 10 lists over a traditional site. If you were to search for anything related to cousins or something tech like email marketing or best software, you would not typically find individual site on page 1, but rather revenue sites or accumulator site that list 10 different options.